अगर आप भी वेट कर रहे हैं मोटिवेशन का जस्ट टू चेंज योर लाइफ, देन यू नीड टू वॉच दिस. You do not need motivation because motivation is just a feeling, and feelings change every fucking day. Feelings change every fucking day. And if you rely on motivation, then you are quite literally changing your feelings every day, which means someday you will feel unstoppable, someday you will feel like quitting your job or anything you are doing. So do not rely on motivation, because motivation is just a feeling. If your dreams depend on motivation, then you will never ever achieve them. Because let's be honest, if अगर आप feelings पे depend रहने लगते हो, then you will never be consistent enough to achieve them in the first place. So how can you expect yourself to achieve this or that when you are completely relying on motivation, a feeling which can change literally anytime? So the only thing you need is discipline. Even on the days when you feel like quitting everything, when you feel tired, unmotivated, you still show up, you still wake up, you still show up to the work, you still do your works, you put yourself together, because you know that if you quit now, you will never ever achieve your dreams. If you rely on motivation, you can never achieve it. You can only and only achieve it when you are disciplined enough to make it happen. And discipline will never ever betray you, because discipline is all about you showing up no matter what. Success is not built upon when you feel motivated, because let's be honest, अगर आप motivation के through success build करते हो, then it will take your 50 fucking years, because is motivation is just a feeling. But how success is built is through discipline. Those 100 ordinary days where you are showing up no matter what is where your success will meet you. So just be crazy enough to be disciplined. Have this delusional faith in yourself that you are going to achieve it. And discipline comes from that blind faith. When you have this faith that you are gonna make it, you are gonna make it, because there is no plan B, there is no option B. You just have to make this happen, or else you just know that you are gonna fail miserably. If you give yourself this kind of option when there is no other option but to make it here, then 100% you are gonna make it. You are gonna make it. I gave myself this challenge that I am gonna make content creation happen for me, because there is no option B for me at all. Does it makes me feel scared? Absolutely, I'm a human. I do feel scared. I do feel the feelings of fear and everything. What if I fail? But is it stopping me from doing this? Absolutely not. Even today I didn't feel like shooting, but I am still shooting. I'm still here. I'm put together, and I am still talking to the camera. Why? Because there is just no other option. I cannot rely on motivation. I have to be disciplined enough if I want this badly. And if this will be the harsh truth ever, if you are depending upon the feeling of motivation, then you are not crazy enough, you are not that deep enough into your dream, like you are not that serious. So please, for now, just stop asking yourself what should I do to feel motivated. Instead, ask yourself, who am I gonna become when I am not motivated at all, because that is the version of you which is going to close the gap between you and your future version, between you and your ideal self. So make sure that you are disciplined enough to make your dreams come true. And I believe in you, and I'm so proud of you. Thank you for making it till to the end of this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.